22 Ford. 1922. 1922 Model T. Just started putting the engine in. This engine came to us with a pretty nasty knock. We sent it out, got completely rebuilt, rebabbited too. A weird quirk about almost every Model T: there's no driver's door. The rear has doors, so does the passenger, but no driver. It was said it was a form of cost cutting. Henry Ford was a businessman first. Another unique feature about these is the floors actually come up, and they're made out of wood. They actually use some of the crating that parts came in, thus the term floorboards.